It's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies. Well, for my Tiny Tidy Tuesday, which is hosted by Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home YouTube channel, I am going to attempt to organize this crazy cupboard and give it a wipe out. And it just all kind of gets jumbled up. So the first thing I'm going to do is take stuff out. We got so much of this stuff. We do anyhow. I eat a lot of cottage cheese, a lot of yogurt. So we'll see what we've got with these. These are containers because my son works for a restaurant and he brings home his food sometimes. And there's just all kinds of stuff in there. So maybe I'll there's the bottom shelf, unloaded. Oh, stuff in this cupboard. A lot of stuff in this cupboard. Okay. I don't have a handheld vacuum cleaner. I'm gonna get one someday, but I've got this old handy brush and I'm just gonna brush the crumbs to the one spot. Just do it the old-fashioned way. My other vacuum I could take out and use it, but I don't feel like it. I don't feel like hauling it out. So just gonna brush the crumbs here. It's not too bad. Crumbs aren't too bad. Just a few crumbs. And I have a damp cloth somewhere. Oh, here it is. Good. I have a damp cloth, and that picks it up. And that picks up the crumbs. And wipes the shelves at the same time. Oh, probably would have been easier to vacuum. Oh well. To invest in one of those handheld vacuums. On the top shelf, my husband likes this pot. Nice and handy. So we'll put that right there. And I know he uses this. My husband does most of the cooking. So I like to put things where he can find them. And just has some crumbs in it because the toaster was sitting in it. I'm gonna put it here. And I'm gonna put the baking dishes. No, that doesn't work. Let's put those there, and this can go here. These are both casserole dishes. And those can go there. And then we have 2 loaf pans. I don't think we'll put them there. Baking. Okay, let's just wipe off the bottom shelf. Where's my brush? That worked better. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of this in here. This shelf is kind of dirty. Some paper towel and wipe it down. I'm just using the Gain Power Wash. The drawers are kind of dirty too, and I just did them. This is where we have our coffee stand, so these drawers get coffee stains on them. Most days. Okay, let's leave this out. It's more paper towel, it's a bit small. Now, I'm going to put stuff in here. Well, it depends how you open the cupboard door. It goes all the way around, so I'm going to put a toaster in here. Pan there, and those pans there. Oh, yeah, that works. I don't know, did you see that? Yep. And now I have all this room. I'm going to stick this up here so that David can see it easy. And these are, let's see if they've got lids. They don't have a lid. going in the garbage, or recycling. Recycling, because we can recycle all this stuff. Okay, we have 2 of those. Those can get stacked on top of each other. 3 lids that can go in the garbage. And that little one. So let's see if we've got lids for all these guys. I won't keep the lids on because all I did was check to see that they had lids. So we're going to pile them in there. Oops. And they all have lids. So there's that cupboard. Much, much neater. Just spray a little bit there. Yep. Oh, I feel like I just wiped down these cupboards, which I did. Oh, white cabinets do show the dirt. Oh, that's okay. I still like my white cupboards. I still like my white cupboards. I think they're very nice. So that's this cupboard cleaned out nice. That's this cupboard cleaned out nice. Ouch. That's this cupboard cleaned out nice, and it's a nice Lazy Susan cupboard. Things stack in it pretty good. So it looks nice and tidy now. Don't know how long it'll stay that way. There we go. So, I'm sure that didn't take very long. But that's my tiny tidy for Tuesday. Hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed getting this cupboard organized again. It's always nice to have a cupboard organized. I have many more that I could probably organize. There we go. So, I'd like to thank all the Tiny Tidy Tuesday ladies, and I hope you enjoyed this little video. I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. I made it to 300. Hopefully it'll stay at 300. Sometimes someone unsubscribes and then you go back again, but that's okay. It's all part of the YouTube thing. Anyhow, I'm very, very happy I made it to 300 before my birthday. And my birthday is on April 13th. So That's not too far away, and I'll be the big 7-0. I'll be 70, which is wonderful because some people don't get to live to be 70, and I have. So anyhow, thank you again for watching my video, and I'll talk to you soon. And first, I just want to show you my little, I bought some Easter towels for my kitchen, and I didn't put them out. I didn't have them up, or didn't have them when I did my Easter decorations. And when I got them, I of course put them out, and I just hung them, straighten them up. I just hung them on my oven door, and I think they look adorable. So I'll leave them there for a while longer and just enjoy them because they're pretty springy looking too. So I can have them out for spring. I hope you all had a wonderful Easter weekend. We did. We had a wonderful Easter weekend. We had family up. My daughter came up and her family, and then the family that lives here in Alberta, we got together and we went out for dinner, and it was lots of fun. And I just pretended it was my birthday party. Anyhow, thanks again for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'd love to make it to 500 in my next little few months. And of course, 1,000 is the goal. So, thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.